G'day humans, Chris Stead here. Got an unboxing for you today. This time it's the Segway C2 Lite. This is the electric scooter for the young'uns. Let's go. So the Ninebot Segway C2 Lite is right at the bottom of kind of the range. There's quite a number of different scooters you can get in the Segway range. Keep an eye on the channel because I do have a bit of content about it here and there. But yeah, this is right down the bottom. So this is for the youngest sprogs, the little ones, the grommets. They look good looking here at about a maximum of 145 centimeters, which is going to put it around the 8 to 9 bracket, based on what I've experienced in the past, or at least with the size of my child. So it's a bit like speed limited. It's a bit feature light, but it's also got some cool stuff for the kids, like neon lights that light up underneath. So we're going to open this. I'm going to charge it up. When I put my son on it, he's going to take it for a big test ride. Tell me what he thinks, and I'll get back to you with a full review. So keep an eye on the channel for that. But right now, we're going to see what's inside the box. So let's get opening. Come off. Inside there we can see it's pretty light on the packaging. And a whole lot in there. I guess ultimately it is just a scooter. Just got a cable connected to it. Okay, what have we got here? Okay, so here's our power cable, which annoyingly does not have an Australian plug on it, but maybe there's an adapter in here. Ah, yep, there's adapters. This is attached, so it's going to be a little difficult to get it out of the box, I think. Let's see what I can do. Get rid of the plastic. Alright, so get it out in one piece like this. Alright, now before we have to look closer at that, just make sure there's nothing else in there. And more plastic. The water absorbing pouchy thing. And that's it. So there we go. So that's everything in the box. So not too overly complicated at all. Not too much wastage, which is good. Let's have a closer look at this, how this works. A bit more cardboard. So my 8-year-old, about to turn 9-year-old, is already involved. He's holding the camera for me right now. Soon he's going to be riding this. He's very excited about. Just want to make sure I don't get the metal there. Alright. Just got some sticky tape holding on down the bottom here. There we go. Okay. So, I think it takes a genius to work out what's got to happen there. So we're going to get, well, here, might as well see if we can do it right now. I know it's going to require some Allen key work by the looks of it. So I'll get back to that in time for the review. But make sure you keep an eye on the channel. We're going to go on this bad boy and see how she goes. But there you go, it's a quick unboxing of the Ninebot Segway C2 Lite 2024 edition. And really like it. It's a really nice little bit of kit, isn't it? Beautiful colour. Let's see how she goes. Alright, I'm Chris Stead. Thank you very much for watching. Till next time, I'll check you later. You!